Tubes and pipes are the integral part of the industry. These tubes are like the nervous system, keeping the industry alive. Before using these tubes, quality check is conducted. Flaring test is one of the quality tests which is done to establish the forming behavior of the tube. In this test, first, the diameter is measured. Second, the tube is placed in the machine. Third, we allow the tube to flare under pressure until required diameter as per standards. And lastly, the expanded part of the tube is observed whether cracks are developed or not. If there are no cracks, then the specimen is qualified. We will learn more about mechanical testing this month. Until then, stay connected and follow our social media channels for more updates.